Hello and welcome everyone. I'm Shannon Bartlett, a Great Clips education specialist. Today, I'm excited to talk to you about the key details and benefits of Pomade from Latitude by Great Clips. This product may sound familiar to you, and that's because this product transitioned from the Men's Solutions by Great Clips to the new Latitude by Great Clips line. We wanted to make sure that this product made it through the transition because it was so popular. However, when a product transitions from one line to another, it often raises the question, has this product changed? The simple answer is no, it has not changed. This pomade has kept the same great performance you're all familiar with. We've updated it with new ingredient technology, removed unwanted ingredients, and introduced enhanced extracts to meet current product standards and trends that customers are looking for. Let's talk a little bit more about what makes a pomade. Well, a pomade. A pomade has become such a widely used term in men's hairstyling that it often overrepresents anything other than a gel. However, it's important to understand what pomade is used for. A pomade's primary purpose is to style hair neatly with high shine finish, perfect for comb-formed styles. Unlike gel, pomades don't dry out or cause the hair to harden, allowing for easy restyling throughout the day. Latitude pomade is perfect for any customer looking for a polished look with healthy shine. This product offers hair a medium hold and excellent definition. It works on a wide range of hair types and lengths and is used to create tousled looks, slicked back styles, pompadours, comb-overs, or to control flyaways. Plus, an added bonus of this product is that it rinses out effortlessly. The key ingredients in this product are lanolin, which helps to moisturize and manage hair by preventing water evaporation, and hops to help strengthen hair strands, reducing breakage. Using this product is straightforward. To apply your pomade, you're going to start with a pea-sized amount. I'm using a stick to make sure that no other hair gets into the product container. I'm going to add it to the palm of my hand and then emulsify through. I'm going to start by combing it through using my fingers, applying it to the areas that I'd like to see add a little bit of shine and texture. And then I'm going to grab my comb and comb it through for some even distribution. If I feel like I need to add a little bit more, I can take a little bit more from the container and follow the same process. I'm then going to apply it to any areas that I feel need a little bit more product. And my customer is good to go. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Latitude by Great Clips. For more information on this product, go to the Resource Center on the Salon Innovations website. Hover over the Education tab and select Product Knowledge. If you enjoyed this video, show your support by giving it a like, clicking the subscribe button, and hitting the notification bell for future updates. And until next time, keep styling.